How to create a MetaMask wallet in 4 steps. Go to metamask.io and click on Download for Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Open the MetaMask extension and click on I agree. Click on Create a new wallet. Click on I agree. Enter a new password and confirm the password. Then click on I understand and click Create a new wallet. Click on Secure my wallet and click on Reveal secret recovery phrase. Copy the phrases to clipboard or write them down and click on Next. Fill in the blanks accordingly and click Confirm and click Got it. Navigate through the rest of the process and click Enable. You have successfully created your MetaMask wallet, but there are some things to remember. Never share your recovery phrase or seed phrase to anyone. Anyone can access your wallet and funds if they get a hold of your wallet, so beware. Ideally, never connect your MetaMask wallet to unknown sites or dApps. Stay safe and make sure to subscribe.